Yes, while doing asanas, you have to give instructions. That is the good yoga teacher quality. But I tell you multiple concepts. What is that one? With experience this comes. First method is while practicing giving instructions. Second method is you just give instructions. You don't do anything. So you should be able to do that. That comes with practice. Third one is tell the students, if they are senior students, you don't need to give instructions at all. Say the asana name, Padmasana, and you do it, they will do it. No, listen, every yoga teacher do this mistake. When the students knows how to do asana, why do you want to give instructions? I say this is a mental disorder. When student know how to do Virabhadrasana 1, why do you want to give instructions? I say the simple thing is Virabhadrasana 1, and I say they will do it. And then watch all the students. Very good. And then say release. You don't need to see so many instructions. Very good. Let us do on the other side. They will do it. So when you give instructions, what is the benefit? You can go and help a student who joined recently. Yeah? So follow this. Thank you.